Women are the strongest breed amongst all human beings. Maybe men, maybe children, adult, but it is only the women, maybe in the adulthood or in the later reproductive age, that they are strong enough to bear the different parts of their life in terms of hormones and immunological differences which they have to bear with the different levels of hormones.
How does the immunity, there are different cycles that a woman goes through in her entire productive cycle. How does it affect the immunity, whether it is pre-ovulation or post-ovulation or otherwise also?
Every month, in a cycle of 28 to 30 days, each woman has to bear two peaks of different hormones. First half is the estrogen peak and the second half is the progesterone peak. In the first half, estrogen causes increase in the autoimmune disorders, but it controls the infection. So less chances of infection, but increased autoimmune disorders in the first half of the cycle. In the post-ovulation, the later part, it is the main progesterone which is playing a havoc on the body, but it is helping the women conceive as it lowers down the immunity and the infection rate is controlled. Lifestyle change like good behavior, exercise, eating less of sugars, and eating healthy and avoiding processed foods will lead to healthy lifestyle. That is, the hormones will be well in control and the patient will have good, or the female will have good immunity and less infections.
So when you said that there are two peaks of the hormone that come, what are the body changes that one can observe in this?
Weight gain is there because of the estrogen, and with progesterone there is a lot of fluid collection in the body, but the pregnancy is only conceived when the progesterone levels are good.
So you're saying that when there are these hormone level changes, what happens to the immunity, or should women take something to make sure that the immunity stays?
Yes, vitamin C can help the immunity increase. In the first half of the cycle, there are increase, or rather the flare of autoimmune disorders because of the high estrogens. So normally vitamin C or little honey, warm water, they will help you increase the immunity and sail through better.